Hello, Happy New Year!
Hello everybody, Happy New Year! I hope 2024 will be a year full of success for you and full of peace for the entire world. In the first video at the New Year, we are going to learn one of the interesting features in Windows that you enjoy while working. Customize the appearance of your PC. Please hit the subscribe button to support me. Now, open a browser and enter www.files.community in the URL field. And install the Files program. After installing the program, you need to make some changes. After installation, notice that you have two ThisPc in the taskbar. Right-click on the previous ThisPc and unpin it, and pin the new ThisPc. Now open the Explorer and go to the settings from the top right. There is a series of tabs on the left side of the setting. In the theme section, you can lighten or darken the File Explorer page. The background section is for choosing the background of the File Explorer, and you can change it according to your taste. One of the important settings is to go to the Advanced tab and activate this checkbox. I mean, set files as the default file manager, so that the file manager will be set as default for this program. Then enable the Open File Startup option. Enter the General section. The language option is to set the language. The Startup Settings section is for setting what mode the File Explorer will be displayed as soon as you open it. Select the Continue where you left off to show the recent programs. Actually, it works like recent history and shows the last files you have worked with. The next option, open tabs in dual pane mode. If selected, you can open two drives at the same time on File Explorer and transfer files by drag and drop. Click on each segment to activate that drive. In fact, File Explorer looks like a browser. The files to be transferred are displayed on the upper right side of the screen. In the folder section, there are a number of features that we can use according to our needs. The Details Layout columns shows the settings related to the size, file creation date, etc. according to your need. The Hidden Items allows you to hide or show files and extensions. With the Opening Items, you can set files to be opened with a single click or double click. Also, like a browser, you can open and use several tabs. The size of the drives can be seen easily. Again, I hope this program is useful for you. Goodbye until the next video.